Ho ho, hold on to your tinsel. The festive season is fast approaching, and it's time to get your business sleigh ride ready. At Triovia, we've wrapped up the ultimate gift, a course that makes boosting your sales and capturing leads as simple as hanging up a stocking. And just like your favourite Christmas jumper, it'll keep you warm with sales and leads long into 2025. Whether you're decking the halls with festive social media campaigns or crafting holiday emails that jingle all the way, we've got you covered. It's everything you need to keep your customers coming back for more festive fun. And we promise, no complicated reindeer games involved. Our course breaks down the steps into bite-sized mince pies of knowledge, simple, tasty, and easy to digest. We'll show you how to unwrap email magic, launch offers that sparkle, and keep your sleigh full of customers rolling into 2025. And with on-demand access, you can learn at your own merry pace, even with a cup of cocoa in hand. Why wait? Santa might come once a year, but your success doesn't have to stop at Christmas. Sign up for this bite-sized course today, and let's make this the most wonderful time of your business year, well into 2025.